Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're already signed in, so open the Google form you want to edit and click the Theme Paint Palette icon at the top right. Once the theme panel appears, choose Header and hit Choose Image. This is the first actionable step that places an image in the form's visual anchor. Make sure you pick a high-resolution source because Google recommends landscape images. Choosing the header first sets the tone and avoids repeated resizing later. Now select how you'll import the picture. Upload from your computer, pick from Google Drive or Photos, or paste an image URL. Once uploaded, Google shows a preview. Use crop and reposition tools to preserve a 16:9 feel so text and buttons don't overlap. If the image looks pixelated, replace with a larger file. Conversely, crop busy areas to keep the header clean and readable. These steps control composition and ensure the image displays consistently across devices. Finish by clicking Done and immediately preview the form on both desktop and mobile to confirm the header reads correctly. If text contrast is poor, change theme color or pick a slightly dimmer overlay image to improve legibility. If the upload fails or the image won't appear, clear your browser cache, try an incognito window, or re-upload a different file type. That usually resolves transient issues. Once satisfied, publish or share the form. Your header is set and consistent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.